guys, welcome to Real English Online. We're going to do another video series. Now I've kind of done this video series before, but now we've kind of got sexier software, so we're going to kind of redo it again. So if you want to less visuals and just want to hear me speak, you can watch the other one, but I would advise you watch this one because, as I said, it's sexier. So let's have a look at the words we're going to do. So I told you we had sexy software. Pull the curtains, baby. Pull the curtains. To have surgery, to get a prescription, an infection, to put your arm in plaster, to get a vaccination, a syringe, and an injection. Alright, they're the words we're doing today. So let's have a little look. The first word, so surgery. As you can see here, the surgeons are the guys who have everything in like greenish blue, wear the masks, and they're the ones who kind of cut you open and take something out. Okay, so this is surgery. Alright, not a very nice thing. You get an anesthetic, and when you wake up, something's gone. So an example here, he has a problem with his heart, so he has to have surgery. Now the next one, if you get a prescription like this from your doctor, you're very lucky, because most of us get something that looks a little bit like this. So you go to your doctor because you're not feeling well, and he gives you a prescription, and usually you look at it and you're like, huh? You have no idea what the guy's written, but you take this thing to the pharmacy or the chemist, and they will give you the medicine. So the doctor gave me a prescription for some strong pain relief medication. Okay, so especially if it's very strong medication, you need basically the doctor's permission to get it. Also, sometimes you might get a prescription because you end up paying less money, which is always good. Nasty. Okay, so here you can see a horrible picture. I apologize. But here obviously the person hasn't put any alcohol or any betadine or iodine on it, and it has become infected. Okay, and another way that you'll see infection now is all the zombie films. Okay, if you're bitten by a zombie, you start turning into one. You become infected. But medically, if you have an infection, it gets very red and painful, and usually that's when you have to go see a doctor. Alright, so if you don't clean and sterilize that cut, it will get infected. This is never good. So obviously you have fallen off your bike, fallen down the stairs, something like that, and now your arm is in plaster. Okay, so this is when you go to the hospital and they put this material that goes very hard like stone, either over your arm, over your leg, or something like this. Okay, and you keep it on depending how bad the break is. I think usually for 5-6 weeks, and then they actually cut it off. Okay, so I broke my arm and it has been in plaster for 3 weeks now. So here, a vaccination. So let's have a look at some pictures here. So this is when they give you a jab in your arm, or in your bum actually sometimes, and they're giving you medicine so that when you get a disease, either you won't get it, or if you do get it, you won't get as sick, as I said. So vaccinations are very, very common, especially for young babies, and especially in areas in some parts of Africa and places where they have outbreaks of disease. So a vaccination is a good thing in the sense that it's trying to protect you. And if they are vaccinating, they use one of these bad boys. Now, no one likes these. A syringe, or an injection, I should say. And this is what they use to do a vaccination most of the time. So you can see this is the syringe. You can buy them from the pharmacy or the chemist. They're very, very cheap, and they're used for an instrument for giving injections, or actually injecting medicine into a person. Okay, and if you've ever seen the doctor, the dentists, they have like huge big syringes that they use. So when the doctor gives you an injection, he uses a syringe and a needle, okay, and it's the needle that they stick into the skin, and then afterwards they throw the whole lot in the bin. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, guys. Here's your little quiz so you can practice putting some of these words in the right place, and as usual, here come the answers. So if you need more time, press pause now, and there are your answers. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Stay away from the doctor. That's all for now. Bye.